JDCap26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we had a question on the channel here from somebody, and it got lost. There is no maintenance cartridge on the G720 printer at all. There are 3 screws in the back. You can open up and look in there and see if there is one, but there's no reference to it on the Canon website at all. So I just want to put this out there for all you guys wondering about that. There is a maintenance cartridge for the GX720, which is a upper model of the Canon printer line, multi-printer line, and you can look up those instructions online if you want. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.